Hey you guys, I am going to recreate Wendy's bow with Rustic Designs Ky. She got some ribbon from us and she done a different kind of bow. So I'm gonna watch her video and I'm just gonna recreate the bow with her. Okay, she said you need 3 2.5-inch ribbons and 2 1.5-inch ribbons to recreate this bow. I've cut 3 1.5-inch ribbons at 26 inches long, or 26.5, and then I've cut 2 1.5-inch ribbons just slightly shorter than the 2.5-inch ribbon. And I'm using these ribbons. Wendy used just a few different ones. Might have used a floral. Okay, so I'm gonna watch the video as I'm doing this, okay?
4 ribbons from TMI Gifts, and I'm going to show you how to make a bow. You're going to need a total of 5 ribbons. I'm using these 3 and then the 2 from Watercolor. You're going to need 3 2.5-inch ribbons cut at 26 inches long, and then the 1.5-inch ribbons you're going to need 2, and I cut those slightly smaller than the 2.5-inch ribbon. Once the ribbon is all cut, you are going to crisscross each ribbon like this. So it's kind of like a zigzag.
Okay. So you're crisscrossing the ribbon. Okay. Okay.
Zigzag pattern, and I put the 2.5-inch ribbon on the bottom and then the 1.5-inch ribbon on top. After all of your ribbon is crisscrossed, you're going to take each.
Okay. This is my first time to do this. Okay, so I've got them all done. Okay.
Strand and pinch in the middle like this. You're going to have a loop and a tail at the bottom and a loop and a tail at the top. And you're going to repeat these steps until all of the ribbon are bunched together like this. And again, I'm putting the 1.5-inch ribbon on top. It's hard to see, but I am using bow wire.
This is going to be a pretty bow, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
To secure the ribbons together. I like this better than the zip tie because it allows me more freedom once I am fluffing the bow. So this is the most important part, but it's also the most tedious. You're going to fluff each loop and tail I like to alternate each of the patterns so that the same style ribbon or pattern ribbon is not next to each other, if that makes sense. And it's looking like a hot mess right now, but just trust the process. Once you have everything all fluffed out and you start to dovetail your ends, that really pulls the bow together. For the lattice jute ribbon, I just cut that straight across. I do not dovetail it, but as you can tell, it's already starting to make the bow look better. After all the ends are dovetailed, I do go ahead and fluff out the bow again, just making sure all of the ribbon strands and loops are where I want them. And this is the final look. I hope this helps, and make sure you check out TMI Gifts for the cutest ribbon.
Okay, I'm getting there. Oh, I can't get my finger in there. I've made these so short. It's a cute bow, though. Mm. What if you could dovetail this before you start doing it? You think?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I would think so.
It's really cute, isn't it, Macy?
Mm-hmm. Especially
oh wait, I've got this one.
Like is, you know, like layered.
Yes. Oh, it looks cute. Mm-hmm. It almost looks like it was done on a bow machine, doesn't it?
Yes, it is.
Oh,
so cute.
Oh, cute. Look. Thanks, Wendy. What a neat bow to do. So check out Wendy's video on TikTok. It's Rustic Designs Kentucky, and Wendy taught us how to do this bow. So thanks for the tips, Wendy.